Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of crypto trading. If you've ever wondered how crypto trading works, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is crypto trading? Crypto trading is the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It happens on online platforms called cryptocurrency exchanges. These exchanges connect buyers and sellers and facilitate the transactions. How does it work? To start crypto trading, you need to open an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. Once your account is set up, you can deposit money into it, usually in the form of regular currency. Then, you can choose which cryptocurrencies you want to trade. When you want to trade, you can either buy or sell cryptocurrencies. You specify the amount you want to trade and the price at which you want to make the transaction. The exchange matches your trade with someone who wants to buy or sell at the same price. There are different ways to trade. You can use market orders, where you buy or sell at the current market price. Or you can use limit orders, where you set a specific price for your trade. People also use different trading strategies. Day trading involves making short-term trades within a single day. Swing trading involves holding positions for a few days or weeks. And long-term investing means holding on to cryptocurrencies for months or even years. Crypto trading has its risks and challenges. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, meaning they can change a lot in a short time. It's important to be careful and not invest more than you can afford to lose. Security is also crucial. Choose reputable exchanges and use security measures like two-factor authentication. Keep your cryptocurrencies in secure wallets. Before we go, here's a bonus tip: stay updated with the latest news and trends in the crypto world. Being informed can help you make better trading decisions and take advantage of opportunities. That's it for today's video on how crypto trading works. Remember, it takes knowledge, research, and a disciplined approach. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.